This video will quickly explain how to store your signature in FireWorks ePCR. Storing your signature in FireWorks ePCR will add your signature in the signature section automatically when you insert your name as a caregiver. Start by signing into FireWorks ePCR. Once you have the ePCR list or a ePCR open, click your name in the upper right hand of the screen. Now click My Roster. This will open a pop-up menu as seen on the screen. Click on the Edit Signature button and a signature pad will open. Sign your signature and hit the Save button. Your signature has now been stored in the system for you to use in future ePCRs. You can now close the pop-up box by using the X in the upper right-hand corner. I will now show you how to use your saved signature in an ePCR. Go to the Signature tab at the top of the screen. On the Signature screen, you will need to add all of the appropriate signatures as you normally would. To add your name and signature, simply click the green person icon beside the crew member or care provider as person signing. Choose your name from the list and your name and signature will be added. You can preview your signature by using the orange preview button on the right side. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time to save your signature into FireWorks ePCR.